Israel rounds up 11 Palestinians in West Bank raids. UAE reappoints Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed as president. US and Qatari defense chief discuss security issues. Russian airstrike killed one civilian in Syria's Idlib. NATO chief says Turkey key to keeping Europe safe. 151 SNA troops martyred during Turkey's Syria operation. Iraqi security kills 4 protesters in Baghdad. US 26 Muslim elected in Tuesday's off-year elections. Nigeria, Boko Haram attacks worries political leaders. Taliban accused of killing 4 judges in Afghanistan. Pakistan, school cancelled as heavy fog blankets Lahore. India awaits verdict on Babri Mosque with bated breath.